Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study better for school. To begin, understanding your personal learning style is crucial for effective studying. Whether you're a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner, tailoring your methods can significantly boost comprehension. Also, establishing a consistent, distraction-free study space helps maintain focus. Breaking down large assignments into smaller, achievable steps makes the process less overwhelming and more productive. Active engagement with your study material is key to deeper learning. Instead of passively reading, try summarizing what you've learned in your own words. This reinforces understanding. A powerful technique is to teach the concepts to a friend or even an imaginary audience, which highlights gaps in your knowledge. Additionally, utilizing flashcards or practice questions promotes active recall, making information retrieval much more efficient during exams. Effective time management is fundamental for academic success. Begin by planning your study sessions well in advance, perhaps using a digital or physical calendar. Dedicate specific blocks of time to different subjects, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks, ideally every 25 to 30 minutes, to prevent burnout and maintain peak concentration. This structured approach maximizes productivity and reduces stress. Consistent review and self-assessment are vital for long-term retention. Make it a habit to regularly revisit previously learned material. This significantly reduces the forgetting curve. Frequently testing yourself, perhaps with practice exams, helps pinpoint areas where your understanding might be weak. Finally, take time to reflect on your study techniques and be willing to adjust them. This iterative process ensures continuous improvement and stronger academic performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.